It was a cold day on the Northwestern Railway of the Vickerstown Museum, owned by the people owned by the Vickerstown Museum. Toby, who was on display, as usual, was surprised to see a visitor backing into the empty berth next to him. Toby smiled. He knew who it was. Well, 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 he chuckled. Two big engines afraid of a... Leo! Leo chuckled. Hey, old friend, he said. I was taking the mainline local. How are you? Toby smiled. Oh, I'm doing marvelous. How are you? I'm doing good, too. He smiled. So, you've probably been wondering what the heck is going on around here on the island. A bit, said Toby. Thomas was speaking to Casey about it. Yeah, I noticed that, smiled Leo. I overheard a little bit. I see, said Toby. So, tell me, what's been going on in the Farquhar branch? Well, you're not gonna like this, but the Farquhar quarry has closed down. For good. It's not economical. Besides, there's another quarry anyway. Ooh, said Toby, so the train line's closed? Yeah. They're gonna... What we're planning to do... we're planning to make an extra station or something. Norfolk station or something like that. Or connected to the castle. We're figuring it out. Well, as long as my brothers are useful. Speaking of your brothers. Yeah, one is leaving the Farquhar branch because there's a smaller branch line that he can actually work on. The Natford branch line is finally complete. Oh God, said Toby, I forgot about that project. No wonder it took so long. Yeah. It did take long. The materials and all that, but it's done. Huh, smiled Toby. As long as we're useful. How's life as a museum piece, said Leo. Pretty good, said Toby. Just love hearing they talk about the old days. It's grand, you know. That it is, said Leo. Oh! By the way, this year it's Flying Scotsman turns 100. Ah, Toby. Good old Scotsman. Is the National Railway Museum gonna have him return? For a little celebration there? I'm not too sure about that, said Leo. I do know he's gonna be traveling off the island and going to different places. I know one of them's the Bluebell Railway. He'll get to see Stephanie. Ooh, said Toby. Stephanie! What's he ain't due back here for an overhaul? Shoot, said Leo. I don't know what happened with that. I'll ask the back control next time I see him. Oh! Shoot! Said Leo. I gotta get going. I'll stop by later for closing time. I'm supposed to do cold delivery later, so. Ah! Said Toby. I'll see you later then. And thank you all for watching, said Toby. Goodbye.